Hi guys, now I'm in the rain. Rain is falling. So I come to Bush this morning with the saying I'm going to stake the big salad. I'm actually under our umbrella right now, guys. I don't know if you can see the water dripping off the umbrella. So the rain is falling and I'm here waiting to see if it's gonna stop because I don't have any hut over here. So I begin to carry the big salad, but guys, this is my first time actually attempting to carry the big salad, but I think I got the hang of it now. I think the first row I did wasn't supposed to I think this first row didn't have to be here. I think I should have started carding from the second row where the limb join. So I think I got the hang of it now, guys. So I'm just here waiting for the rain to stop so I can go ahead and put the sticks in the ground, because I'm not gonna card them yet. I'm just gonna stick it off and then afterwards I'm gonna come and I'm gonna card them. Now what I did is I skipped 4 tomato plants and put a stick in the middle there. I put one at the end. So I put one at the end, one stick at the end of the tomato that be here, one stick at the end, and then I count about 4. You can count about 4 or 5. So this is about 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I put another one there. Then I count 4 again and put another stick. So just keep going on like that until you reach the other end. Yes guys, so I'm in the rain. The rain is falling and it's very cold. And guys, cucumber does not like cold at all. Cucumber doesn't like cold at all. So I don't know. I'm thanking God for the rain still, because I needed the rain. Because I had these lettuce that I planted and they need the rain. And then the broccoli here, so need fertilizing right now. See, I have some steak right here. So I'm just waiting for the rain to stop, guys, so I can go ahead and continue my staking. I have some treatment water in that one, and then some clear water in that one. So guys, yes, the tomato hasn't finished weeding out as yet. And guys, it's very windy. Very windy. Good thing I had sprayed these Sunday. I sprayed these on Sunday, and today is Tuesday, so at least they got a little shield from the cold. But guys, they really need taking, because as you can see, they're starting to fall on the ground, and that's what I don't want. I'm just gonna walk through here. See, they're starting to fall on the ground. This one broke off. So I want to stay up, man, especially like how it's kind of windy, you know. They need staking. Anyway guys, I'll keep you guys up to date on what's going on.